So hello guys, welcome back again at Up YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to make Snapchat public profile on your iPhone and Android device. Lot of Snapchat users to say I can't see public profile on my Snapchat account. So guys, please make sure you are subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. So guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to get public profile on Snapchat. Now first of all, open the Snapchat app. Now you can see also left hand side corner profile icon. So guys, simply tap on that. Now scroll down. After you can see also create public profile options not available. So guys, in this video I will show you new trick to you can easily get public profile on your Snapchat account. So guys, please make sure follow the steps. So guys, how to get? First of all, open the any browser. Now top corner search bar. In search bar search Snapchat. Search Snapchat. After scroll down, after you can see also login Snapchat website available. So guys, simply tap on that. Lot of Snapchat users to say I already many tricks work on my Snapchat but still not working on my iPhone and Android devices. Open the website. After you can see also first option is user ID and also second one is password. So guys, please make sure enter. Now you can see also bottom login icon. So guys, simply tap on that. Now second option is subscription login. So guys, simply tap on that. Now tap on the continue. Continue. After wait for the OTP. Now sometime wait, then automatically get enter code. So guys, please enter your correct code. After again tap on the submit. Login your account in Snapchat website. After some time wait, then automatically scroll down and select the Ad Manager. When tap on the Ad Manager, third options available on this website. So guys, please make sure tap on that. When tap on the Ad Manager, then automatically redirect to another websites on your Snapchat in iPhone and Android devices. So guys, please make sure wait for the sometimes, then automatically this type interface show in your iPhone and Android devices. You can see also left hand side corner create ads. So guys, simply tap on that. Now scroll down and select the public profile. So guys, now simply tap on the public profile. After wait for the sometimes, then automatically redirect to another website. Now scroll down. After you can see also I have a already public profile. Lot of users to say when tap on the I have a already public profile, that time automatically white screen show on iPhone. So guys, this problem solution is you can try on your Android phone as well as laptop. This way too you can easily fix your problems in Android. You can see also again this website open your Android devices and also same process. In this website now you can see also first option is enter your username and also password. So guys, simply tap on bottom login icon. So guys, login. After you can see also authentication code available on your mail ID. Tap on continue and wait for the code. Now automatically add your code in your iPhone and Android devices. Code enter. After again tap on the submit. Now you can see also this type interface show in your iPhone and Android devices. Now you can see also left hand side corner business icon. So guys, simply tap on that. Now scroll down. After you can select the second last option is public profile. Select the public profile. After wait for the sometimes for the loading the page. Now scroll down. After you can see also bottom I have a already public profile. So guys, simply press on that. Now again enter your username and password. Now tap on the login. Login. After again authentication code available. So guys, now enter your authentication code on your iPhone and Android devices. Authentication code available. After submit, then automatically redirect to public profile options. So guys, in category select the any one categories and now you can see also bottom create profile options available. So guys, press on that. Now you can easily create public profile on your Snapchat account. This best way to you can easily get public profile on your Snapchat account. Now I will show you in my iPhone. So guys, now open again Snapchat app. Now you can see also left hand side corner profile icon. In profile icon scroll down. After you can see also public profile available. So guys, simply tap on that. In this public profile you can get also insight options and public story options in your iPhone and Android devices. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about it, so please DM on my Instagram. Thank you so much.